Hi, today gonna use Django to make a website. This is to make a chat room, and source code here. I find it on YouTube how to build a real-time chat app with Django. You see here, there is a source code as well on Github. Thanks that guy that code with Tomi. Thanks him, so that he provides us free open source, so we can download it. So I have downloaded it already, and the code's over there. So it's the size here, and now I'm using the Chinese OS Deepin as shown, with Intel CPU. Okay, I'm trying to use these codes. Now I explain some. Here is manage, don't care, and then use the database is the internal SQLite 3. So everything's there. You can see, right? You need to make migrations and migrate before using, and now you can see the template. Here is the HTML. You can see the style, container, those kind of things, and color, the size, everything's there, border, and here is the form as a chat view. You can see here. So I'm very excited for expecting the chat room, live chat room. Here is the room, HTML. Also the format setting here, and yeah, we need to have the style using jQuery. Copy that. Okay, use the style before, and okay, the codes here, that is get, and also we use asynchronous Java XML. Otherwise, it will be static. Now it's dynamic, so it's moving. So as you have the alias, that will be lifetime. Every 1 second, we know that reload. You don't need to reload it by yourself. You can see here it's using alias. So live chat, for sure you have to be live. So every second reload and reload. You cannot reload by yourself automatically with the alias. So that's why we use alias. And you can see the SQLite 3 with database settings here. And how about the URL is the link. So the link would include to link those kind of patterns of the view. You can see here is the admin to add the room and message to the admin page, so that you can have the room and message, the function on the view, and here is the app chat. So we have the class of this, and the model is to connect to the database SQL. You can see here name for the room and message, value, dates, user, room, chat field, all those kind of things are listed on the database. And also here is the URLs, so connects to the path, correct path. This is a string and room, so this is the dynamic. Chat field is the static. This is already fixed. And if you're using this get message, also dynamic, so it will be changed periodically. So we use the dynamic. And here is the view. You need to import those kind of things, HTTP response and JSON response, and you can see here create the functions, room and home, and add those kind of things, and add this div room objects filter, and the return, the redirect. if the room is existing, so you will redirect to the correct room. If it is new, it will create link following the room by the user automatically, so that we direct to there. We'll create on the database, and here also the same. We'll have the HTTP response message sent, etc. So that's probably saying that here is migration, and also let's see. Now I'm going to run the server. Yeah, successfully ran. So the live chat room is like that. So I open another chat room as well, so we can try live chatting. So there are two chat, Django chat, and the room is Deepin. Okay, let's create the room is Deepin, and my username is John. Okay, say hi. So here I join Deepin also, and username Mary, and you can see John. Hi, I am Mary. So John can also see Mary's speech, Mary's conversation. So that's already live. Ni hao. In Chinese, ni hao. Ni hao. I say ni hao. 我是龙心粉丝. Hello, I am the Lonesome fan. And 我也是 me too. So I'm using Chinese as well, also works. And here we can inspect the page. You can see here the network. You can see every second they are updating. Every second. That's why we don't need to reload it by ourselves manually. They will automatically reload. You can see the array. Here is the array 5. So we got the 5 array because we have 5 configurations, so that we have 5 arrays. That's why you can see the array is loading, reloading automatically second by second. That's why the display is the latest. You can see here is the 5 array, here is the 6. I just typed it. Yeah, corresponding to 6. So you can see here every second data. Here you can also check the codes, source code saying that also for every second. Let's see where it is. Yeah, it's the HTML. Let me check it. Yeah, here. You can see this is using 1000, which means it's 1 second. Every 1 second they update the interval. We set interval function. This is function IS. It's the reload by themselves every second. So now it is. Views. Let's see. Yeah, using JSON list. So the inspection also saying that it's array using list, and also you can see the run server every second gets. So it's running live. Bye Mary. Hi Mary, you can see here live chat. So it's like Facebook or other live services, live chatting, making it's like using IS. Bye. Is that happy?